What is your comment on the recent developments relating to communal tension in the country?
It is unfortunate that there are certain political leaders giving daily doses of statements which are creating tension across the country and mistrust in the government which does not take action. I think when people make statements and no action is being taken, it shows that they have protection or perhaps a direction being given by the government.
What do you have to say about this recent suspension of Nupur Sharma and expulsion of Naveen Jindal from the BJP?
See, I would personally tell you that these are internal matters of the BJP and this is for the BJP to sort out. But the statements made by them have larger ramifications not only across our country but internationally too. And we are seeing the spate of reactions which have been coming from all the countries across the world. Whilst the official statement of the BJP, I'll just take it down, I'm reading from there. They say the Bharatiya Janata Party respects all religions. The BJP strongly denounces insult of any religious personalities of any religion, and also it's strongly against any ideology which insults or demeans any sect or religion. The BJP does not promote such philosophy, people or philosophy. And then it further states that India's constitution gives right to every citizen to practice any religion of his stroke her choice and to honor and respect every religion. So you see, these are mere rhetorical statements. I call them rhetorical because on the ground you see something different, and I think what we can see which is happening across the country is nothing but fanning communal hatred, and I think this needs to be stopped. Now I ask a question. Following the statement and seeing the reaction which was coming from overseas, the government of India has strangely remained silent. It's the BJP which has reacted and the BJP has put out the statement. Even the other statement I'm going to read, which is on the Twitter handle of the Embassy of India at Qatar. And their statement, I will not read the entire statement. There is one thing which they say. Ambassador conveyed that the tweets do not in any manner reflect the views of the government of India. These are the views of fringe elements. If you want to call these people fringe elements and you recognize this as fringe element statements overseas, what is the action which you have taken against these fringe elements here in India? Mere expulsion and suspension, is that all? When the government of India chooses, they can go all the way to Bangalore and maybe perhaps to Chennai and pick up people from across the country. They go and arrest them on grounds of attempted seditions and charges. Is this not statements which is seeking to break up the country? If these statements are seeking to fan communal violence and split our nation, definitely these are not people who are nationals, but these are anti-nationals. And I think that these are the people who need to be first booked, an FIR has to be registered and they have to be arrested. If the government of India and the BJP is serious about it, I think they should take strong action against them, not mere statements, not mere tweets, but action on the ground by having such type of people arrested, and trust me, the entire nation will fall in place. These kind of fringe elements who are being protected and perhaps encouraged will be stopped from trying to destroy the nation, because sadly such type of people don't realize what they do. They want to please their political bosses, and it is surprising that tall leaders named there have sought to create such type of a situation for the country, which is not good. I think the BJP needs to prove itself and show that it is meaning real business in the statement which it has released, file their FIR and have these people arrested. Then we will know the truth.